hey, if you ever wanted to actually get into digital marketing and start creating an online passive income, or even quit your 9 to 5 and do this full time once your income is actually making more than what you're doing with your full-time job, then this is the time to do it. Okay, so at the moment we are in the midst of launching 3 new products. Okay, so you already have 4 products that we sell. They're social media courses, and what that means is not 4, but you'll have 7 income streams, my friends. So it is so easy to do. You only work 2 hours a day, you make 100% profit. There is automation, so you are actually getting your time back. You don't have to DM or cold call anybody. The other great opportunity is that you actually have a website that's actually set up. All we actually do is we provide you with a step-by-step to actually link. And you know what? We've even got, if you actually get your domain name, you just go to GoDaddy and they will set it up for you. So there's no tech. You don't need any tech. You don't need experience. The training is so easy and it's step-by-step. If you get stuck, there is a community that you can ask questions. It's just the best community that I have ever been in. So if you have been thinking or you've been on the fence, do it now, because if you don't do it now, when it launches and you haven't already got your 4 products, then you will actually miss out on the $29 to actually grandfather into those new products, which means you will have to purchase another 300, another 600, or another 150. So do it now. It just makes sense if you're thinking about it. Let me know if you're interested. Comment info. I will send you the information and just make a decision. Just make a decision.